Well, hello there, first graders. I hope that you enjoyed listening to Miss Mikael present her celebration poster. If you have not created a poster yet, please do that soon. You can draw pictures in the shapes next to the boxes where you record your answers. The job that we are going to go over today is going to be our response when we see a friend's video. Like today, we watched Miss Mikael's video. So there are a couple of things that we get to do. This first one is optional. It is your choice if you would like to do it. So you have created a passport, friends. On the inside, it has information about you and a self-drawn portrait. You also have a page of stamps. What you can do is you can color a stamp, write the country that you just learned about, and paste it into your passport, like I did here. This is optional, boys and girls. This is if you would like to do it. You can also just draw a picture of a stamp in your passport. That is your choice. The job that I'm going to ask you to do is to write one sentence and draw a picture about what you learned from a friend. Today, I learned from Miss Mikael. So I wrote what I learned from Miss Mikael. I wrote the friend's name at the top. My sentence says, she eats oranges with her family to celebrate. That is my high five sentence about what I learned from Miss Mikael's presentation. I then drew some oranges in the empty space. And that's it. Each box is for a different friend. Write one sentence and draw one picture about what you learned from a friend. Thank you for watching, first graders. Have a great day.